Guys, it's Skilly Gamer 5290 here. Welcome to another video where today we have all the birds outside except Sydney because Sydney would have been attacking everyone. But we have 6 birds outside, so I mean that's a plus. Maybe one video will bring out Sydney too. Maybe it'll work. And
you know, you could put all the birds in here and let Sydney have her own.
So Snowflake is begging to be in the camera. He was just looking at me like, "Can you please show the camera to me?" And hi, Snowflake. Look, Yoshi. Hi, Yoshi! Bella got him another perch down there. And then we got Rainbow outside and Pillow outside and Yoshi and Skylar and Gerda. Hello, Gerda. Yes?
Yeah, I do feel like
she's like, it's like the grass, the dirt, just like how Drew. To be outside? Rainbow looks absolutely horrified. She's like, ah, help! And if any of you thought that was Sydney, I'm really sorry, but she doesn't look anything like Sydney.
Guys, how you can tell is Rainbow does not have a
Hi.
Hey Grace, Greta is a girl.
Greta is a girl.
Here's the 3 reasons you're gonna tell how Rainbow and Sydney are different. 1, Rainbow has more stripes than Sydney. 2, Sydney has a weight and Rainbow doesn't. And 3, Rainbow and Pillow always are beside each other.
Snowflake's like, let me out of here!
Yeah, she's like drinking the water.
Yeah, that's kind of like how I identify them too. Hi guys! They're so cute when they're outside.
Oh, dude, what if
This is really good stuff right here. I'm just like, how about we just bring them all outside?
Pillow.
Pillow's right there.
Yoshi's territorial over her cage.
Is she? Is she being mean about it?
Yeah, Skylar, she isn't mad.
Actually, we brung them out because Yoshi got her flight wings and she's starting to not to listen. So we're gonna show him who's boss and be like, I have the power to move you anywhere I want. So you better listen to me or else we're gonna. It's called drinking water. It's in the same spot because she's scared to go anywhere without her lady and his lady. So.
And Sydney's in there eating.
Where's Snowflake? Oh, he's over here. Hi, Snowflake.
The ladder.
A ladder.
Guys, if you haven't noticed, Pillow has like red around his eyes whenever he eats.
Is that swing?
He has red around
Is
his
that
eyes.
swing
Is it raining?
for Pillow?
Okay.
Is that swing for Pillow?
Hey, let's see your eyes, Breath. Hey, come on.
Is that
Breath.
swing for Pillow?
You need to see your eyes, okay?
Good job,
Can I see your eyes? I want to see your pretty eyes.
Snowflake loves his toy. Look at him. He's like, oh my gosh, you push Pillow.
I'm trying to get like good pics
Pillow.
so I could like.
Bad bird.
Oh no, Snowflake's eating that.
He's fine. If he's swallowing it, then that's not good. But if he's just chewing on it, it's not that bad.
Yeah, Pillow.
I'm trying to get a pic of Pillow's eyes. He won't let me do anything.
Hey, Pillow
Alright.
eats Band-Aids.
You were one with the birds. No, like legit, I'm gonna drop them. If Millie was like
6. It's been 9 minutes.
I know, or the videos.
Okay.
They're back.
Take your camera.
No. Skies look mad.
She looks mad as fire.
Yeah, skies look mad.
Oh no.
Yeah, I think they're getting
Skylar! Oh, do you?
I've never got this close to the birds to get a picture of them.
Pillow.
Especially not Gerda.
Greta.
See, now they're listening.
Guys, one time.
They're knowing. Can I speak for a minute? Now they're seeing that we're in control. That's what we need. So if you have like flight wing problems, which that's what we have. We have problems Like, they won't listen to us when they get their flight wings, or they're getting into stuff they're not supposed to. And if they don't listen to you at all, and if they don't listen to you at all, and you need to get them back to listening to you, you just gotta give them a little bit of scare, okay? It's just a little bit, but Snowflake likes the camera and everyone doesn't. So, thank you. Sydney likes the camera, but Snowflake just gets jealous. So, thank you all for watching. Hope you subscribe, like, turn on those notifications, wish you the bell down below. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, and if you want Sydney to come out too, you're gonna have to do a lot of likes because Sydney's a troublemaker. I don't know if she'll do it. And this was just really hard to bring this whole thing out. So, yeah. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.